After more than 50 years, Kenworth is saying goodbye to its C500 with a brand new model. I'm CCJ editor Jason Cannon, and join me for a quick peek at Kenworth's newest heavy hauler, the C580. Capable of hauling a gross combination weight of up to 1 million pounds, Kenworth's C580 is every bit the severe duty bruiser that the C500 is, but it gets some comfort and tech upgrades. The C580's more spacious cab offers improved visibility with a larger windshield and optimized hood slope. A customizable 15-inch digital display places all gauges and critical information clearly in the driver's view. The C580 comes standard with EPA-compliant Cummins X15 engines with ratings up to 605 horsepower and 2050 foot-pounds of torque. The C580 features Kenworth's full suite of transmission offerings, including manual transmissions, Allison's 4000 and 6000 series automatics, and for the first time in the extreme duty segment, the Eaton Endurant XD Pro automated transmission. The C580 features abrasion-resistant double-wrapped exterior wiring harness, a sheet metal hood and fenders, 5-piece crossmembers, and enhanced serviceability and component access to support body installations. Full-length parent frame rails extend to the front of the chassis and support FEPTO capability for specialized vocational applications. The C580 is available in single or twin steer axle configurations with front drive axle options enabling 4x4, 6x6, 8x8, and 10x10 configurations. High-capacity axle ratings support up to 44,000 pounds on twin steer axles and up to 165,000 pounds on tandem rear axles. The C580 features a large 1,780 square inch cooling module and is designed to handle high horsepower operation in stationary, high altitude, and extreme heat environments. Standard dual 13-inch cowl-mounted air cleaners offer high performance, ease of service, and that classic Kenworth styling. Production of the C580 is scheduled to begin in January of 2027, with the model fully replacing the C500, which sunsets this year.